The golden age of UX, is it over? In recent years, the field of user experience UX design has experienced significant growth and recognition. With the rise of digital products and services, companies have increasingly prioritized creating exceptional user experiences. However, as the industry continues to evolve, some have questioned whether the so-called golden age of UX is coming to an end. We will explore the notion of the golden age of UX and discuss whether it is truly over or if it has simply transformed into a new phase of evolution. The rise of UX. The concept of UX design emerged as a response to the need for user-centered design practices. In the early 2000s, the focus shifted from purely functional interfaces to creating experiences that were intuitive, engaging, and delightful for users. This shift led to the recognition of UX design as a critical component of successful product development. The golden age. The golden age of UX can be characterized by a surge in demand for UX designers, increased investment in user research and testing, and a growing awareness of the importance of UX in business success. During this period, companies began to prioritize user-centric design, leading to the creation of innovative and user-friendly products and services. The evolution of UX. While some may argue that the golden age of UX is over, it is more accurate to say that the field has evolved. UX design is no longer a niche discipline but has become an integral part of the design process across industries. As technology advances and user expectations continue to evolve, UX designers must adapt and embrace new challenges. The role of AI and automation. The rise of artificial intelligence (AI) and automation has undoubtedly impacted the field of UX design. AI-powered tools and algorithms can assist designers in tasks such as data analysis, prototyping, and personalization. However, this does not diminish the importance of human-centered design and the role of UX designers in understanding user needs and emotions. The future of UX. Rather than signaling the end of the golden age, the current state of UX design represents a new era of possibilities. As technology continues to advance, UX designers have the opportunity to shape the future by integrating emerging technologies, such as virtual reality, augmented reality, and voice interfaces, into their design processes. While the notion of the golden age of UX may be debated, it is clear that UX design remains a vital discipline in the digital age. The field has evolved and will continue to do so as technology advances and user expectations change. As UX designers, it is essential to embrace this evolution, stay informed about emerging trends, and continue to prioritize user-centered design to create exceptional experiences for users in the years to come.